In the world of senior care, maintaining a healthy living environment is crucial. The AirQuality Pro Wi-Fi air sensor is an innovative solution designed to monitor and safeguard the air quality in the spaces where seniors reside, offering peace of mind for both the elderly and their caregivers. This sensor is equipped with sophisticated technology to detect particulate matter, PM2.5 and PM10, volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and other pollutants that can be harmful to seniors, particularly those with respiratory sensitivities. By keeping a constant check on these elements, the AirQuality Pro helps ensure that the air is clean and safe to breathe. One of the key features of the AirQuality Pro is its ability to send immediate alerts to caregivers through an app. When air quality dips below recommended levels, caregivers receive notifications, enabling them to take quick action to improve the environment. This real-time alert system is especially valuable for seniors living independently, as it ensures that any potential health risks are addressed promptly. The integration of Wi-Fi technology allows for easy monitoring of air quality from any location. Caregivers can access current air quality data and receive updates, ensuring that they remain informed about the living conditions of their loved ones or clients. For those dedicated to enhancing the quality of life for seniors, the AirQuality Pro Wi-Fi air sensor is a must-have. It not only monitors air quality, but also provides a direct line of communication for caregivers, ensuring that the living environment for the elderly is always at its best. To learn more about how the AirQuality Pro can contribute to a healthier living space for seniors, please reach out to me via the email on my page. I will be delighted to provide further details and will respond to your inquiry within 24 hours.